Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. So glad that you've joined us today for a Black History Month special of Vegan Ackee. You're going to enjoy it. Today's ingredients are spring onion, red, green and yellow bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, onion, thyme, ackee, all-purpose seasoning, nutritional yeast flakes, butter beans, onion powder and vegetable oil, and also a little bit of garlic. Start off by prepping our vegetables, washing them, chopping them up into small pieces. In a warm frying pan, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil, and then we're going to add our veggies in there, and we're going to stir them, until they start to become soft and translucent. And then we are going to add our chopped garlic to this as well, and stir that in really well until it's all nice and soft. We're going to add our seasonings, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, onion seasoning, bullion, and also a sprinkling of thyme. Now we're going to add in the tomatoes and the Scotch Bonnet, and then we're going to add our tin of Butterbeans, which has been drained and rinsed already, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of nutritional yeast flakes, to which we're going to add half a cup of hot water. Next, we're going to pour our ackee into a sieve and let all of that water drain off, and we're going to pour hot water over the ackee just to, scald it off a little bit. The butter beans have been simmering for a little while now, and we're just going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to that, and then we're going to get our ackee and we're going to add that into the pot. Careful not to mix it too much because we don't want to mash up the ackee. Rather than stirring the pot and mashing up the ackee, we're just going to shake the pot a little bit. Then we're going to cover it and allow it to simmer for another 15 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. It's vegan ackee with butter beans. It's absolutely delicious with some boiled white yam and boiled green bananas. It is really, really good. So enjoy making this dish. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and if you use any of the recipes, be sure to tag us, and also check us out on all of our other social media platforms. Thank you for listening to today's video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and leave your comments below, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.